Toyota hybrids use a unique dual battery system that's essential to understand before attempting any jumpstart procedure. The first battery is a high voltage traction battery operating between 201.6 and 650 volts. This powerful battery drives the electric motors for vehicle propulsion. The second battery is a standard 12-volt auxiliary battery. This battery powers the lights, radio, computers, and all the initial startup systems. Here's the critical point. The 12-volt battery must function properly to activate the entire high-voltage system. When jump-starting a Toyota hybrid, you must only work with the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Never attempt to jump-start the high-voltage traction battery. Always use the designated 12-volt jump-start terminals, which are clearly marked in your vehicle's fuse box area. Safety is paramount when working with hybrid vehicles. Always use proper personal protective equipment before beginning any jump-start procedure. Essential protective equipment includes safety gloves, eye protection, and appropriate clothing. These protect you from electrical hazards and potential battery acid exposure. Newer Toyota hybrid models from 2023 to 2025 feature improved battery management systems that provide clearer indicators when the 12-volt auxiliary battery needs attention. These advanced systems can automatically isolate the high-voltage system when the 12-volt battery fails, providing additional safety layers and clearer diagnostic information. Remember, Toyota hybrid jump-starting is all about the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Never work with the high-voltage system, always use proper safety equipment, and follow designated procedures for a safe and successful jump-start. Before jump-starting your Toyota hybrid, proper preparation is essential for safety and success. Start by ensuring both vehicles are positioned on level ground to prevent rolling. Next, locate the jump-start terminals. Most Toyota hybrids, including Prius, Camry Hybrid, and RAV4 Hybrid, have designated terminals under the hood in the fuse box area. The cable connection sequence is critical for safety. Always follow this exact order to prevent electrical damage or injury. Once cables are properly connected, start the donor vehicle first and let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the donor battery to begin charging the hybrid's auxiliary battery. After successfully starting the hybrid, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order of connection. This prevents electrical arcing and protects sensitive electronic components. Finally, keep the hybrid running for at least 30 minutes to allow the charging system to properly recharge the auxiliary battery. This ensures the battery will have enough power for your next start.